Hello everyone, welcome to Vietnam with Sam again. This is Con Tho, the biggest city in Mekong Delta, and we are in very difficult names. I again forgot the name. It's a park overlooked by a huge statue of Uncle Ho and one of the lesser touristy places of वियतनाम. हम लोगों को बहुत कम लोग दिख रहे हैं, हमारे जैसे तो बिल्कुल नहीं दिखे यहाँ. Yeah, this was a different thing. Means like now I have been seeing the numbers of Indians traveling to Southeast Asia increasing. I remember when I started way back in 2007, when I backpacked China for the first time. I used to be treated as the superstar and like offered free beers and all that. But those like, Indian backpacker. So अच्छा लगा कि वो बैरियर्स टूट रहे हैं. पर और लाइफ ऑन द रिवर. खूबसूरत बात यहाँ की ये कि यहाँ हर सिटी का अपना एक वाइब है, अपनी एक नाइट लाइफ है. लोग घूमते हैं, खुश रहते हैं. तो पार्क में बैठना अपराध नहीं होता है कपल्स का, जोड़ों का. Girls don't get harassed because of their clothes, as you can see, and they are all locals. PDA is not a crime. कोई बड़ा होटल या कुछ भी वहाँ, not really sure what that is. What this is? I think this is something floating, which people can enter and have food, something like that. Some live performance out there. This is Can Tho dinner cruise. Oh, so cute. कभी हमारे शहर भी ऐसे हो सकेंगे. नो फेरी हियर राइट नाउ, सो डिनर नॉट देयर एज ऑफ नाउ. A nice place to be around, I'm sure. Means like many people ask Can Tho or Mai Tho. Sure, means like I was in the neighboring province of Mai Tho, Ban Tre, this afternoon, and that was also like very quiet, very non-touristy, at least yet, and these two come across as the same, and I'm sure people must come here. There's a pedestrian bridge. Looks beautiful from far afar, colorful. आप देखें, मतलब यहाँ रात के 8:30 बज चुके हैं. नहीं, 8-10 हुए हैं. और कितनी संख्या में लोग बाहर. So many people out and around, enjoying, having fun without any fear, without any threats. This is again, I think, dinner cruise liner, but the dinner coach having departed. I think that one in distance is that one. एक और जोड़ा. Imagine this in India. और यहाँ के लोग स्त्रियों की पूजा नहीं करते. They don't worship women. Yet women are safe here. They can live the way they want. That's the difference. That's what history is all about. Two buildings, one very modern glass concrete building, the other one French. Yeah, it's French architecture, must be from the times of before 1945. And just look around, means like those new buildings, very new actually, glass and concrete. and concrete, glass and concrete, and suddenly you bump into this one, which is reminder of Vietnam's colonial history. For sure, a beautiful place for a night stroll. For enjoying life. रात में आए, घूमते हुए जाएं, बेशक खूबसूरत। वो दूर डिनर क्रूजेज जो बता रहा था मैं अभी, लोटस शेप में 2-3 बनाए हुए, वजह से ब्रिज का नाम लोटस ब्रिज पड़ गया है। वैसे नेन केन समथिंग वियतनामीज tongue twister, I think more a tongue twister than Chinese. One more thing I would like to tell you, and see sorry ट्रेन अपराध नहीं है यहाँ। This too, it will generally give way to people taking pictures. But bigger and better than that means, just imagine, just think that there are governments which invest into infrastructure which is like really public. There is no ticket to come here. कोई आपको रोकेगा नहीं. And in the middle of all that, there's see that big boat, commercial boat, ship actually going. So life goes on. So does livelihood activities. The other lotus, and that's a queue of super cute dragons and things, and this and that, and this one is even spitting. Oh, that's interesting, really interesting. That's a whole queue of views. I don't know whether they are permanent or not, but very interesting nonetheless. Wow, what a beautiful color it was. Surat.
Hoàng ơi, ra đây cô cháu mình làm kiểu này.
एक दिन यकीनन हमारा देश भी बदलेगा। शायद तब हमारी सरकारें भी इन्वेस्ट करेंगी ऐसी चीज़ों में, पैसे लगाएंगी जो सबके काम की हों, केवल अंबानी अडानी की ना हो। ऐसी जगहें बनाएंगी जहाँ पे कोई भी आ सके, उसके पास पैसे हों या ना हों, उछड़ ज़िंदगी अच्छे से एंजॉय कर सके। और वो जो मैं बता रहा था, डिनर क्रूज, तो आई डोंट रियली लाइक डिनर क्रूजेस एट ऑल yet. So I think that's it for Ninh Ken Park, overlooked by the huge statue of Uncle Ho. See you again किसी और चीज